It's $120.
It's $120 there. If you can get it out, you can have it. And you
But
can't use tweezers.
$120 in a bottle. You can break it, but you got to try to get a hold on. Wait a minute. I really don't think this is going to end right. But we going to see. Let's continue watching.
I can't. Let me see.
Break the fucking bottle.
So,
What? You don't get to tell him how to do it?
That's my baby.
can I break the bottle?
Yeah.
Fuck it.
Whoa. Didn't know. Yeah, hey, let me hold 20. Let me hold 20, dog.